Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle jacks on Amazon. A motorcycle jack is something you can get today that'll make practically all maintenance slightly easier, especially on your back. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Orion MotorTech Motorcycle Lift. If you don't want to fork out for a hydraulic jack but want a high-quality scissor lift, the Orion MotorTech Motorcycle Lift is for you. This model has a 1,100-pound load capacity and an operating range of 3.75 to 13 inches. Its load capacity should be more than enough for any motorcycle you throw on it, but its range of movement is slightly lacking. What's not lacking is its extra-large deck, which measures 9.8 to 15.8 inches and gives you a large contact area for you to balance your bike. What we like about it: extra-large deck, 1,100-pound lift capacity, 1-year warranty, protective gloves included. What we don't like about it: limited operating range. Number 2. VOHAM Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift. The VOHAM hydraulic motorcycle lift is a powerful and versatile tool designed to revolutionize the way motorcycle enthusiasts work on their bikes. With its robust construction and advanced hydraulic system, this lift provides a safe and efficient solution for lifting motorcycles, making maintenance tasks easier than ever before. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a D enthusiast, this product offers convenience and reliability that will elevate your garage experience to new heights. This robust construction ensures stability and safety during operation, providing peace of mind while working on your prized motorcycle. The lift's solid build quality guarantees long-lasting performance, making it a worthy investment for any motorcycle owner. What we like about it: sturdy and durable steel construction ensures stability and safety during operation. A powerful hydraulic system provides effortless lifting and lowering of motorcycles. The adjustable platform accommodates a wide range of bike sizes and styles. What we don't like about it: some users may find the initial setup process slightly time-consuming. The hydraulic system may require periodic maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Number 3. JFG Racing Motorcycle Dirt Bike Jack. The JFG Racing Motorcycle Dirt Bike Jack is ideal for anyone who has a motocross bike or lightweight street bike. It has a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, and its anti-slip rubber deck measures 11 to 6.9 inches. This model's dimensions are 12.4 to 11.8 to 10.4 inches, and it weighs just 14.2 pounds, making it easily the most portable on this list. It has an adjustable range of around 10 to 18 inches, meaning it's perfect for dirt bikes. The plate swivels up and down to meet the underside of your bike. Once the jack is in place, you use the foot-operated 2.2mm steel arm to lift the bike to your desired height and secure it with a lock nut. When you're done, a hydraulic shock lowers the jack slowly and steadily. What we like about it: weighs 14.2 pounds. Easy to operate. Improved steel lifting arm. Hydraulic lowering shock. What we don't like about it: only suitable for light motorcycles. Number 4. OTC Ultra Low Profile Motorcycle Lift. The OTC Ultra Low Profile Motorcycle Lift beats the rest of the competition in terms of performance. This hydraulic jack has a 1,500-pound load capacity and 17-inch long skids, meaning you can lift even the largest touring and cruising motorcycles. This model's operating range is 3.5 inches to 16.75 inches. Once your bike is off the ground and secured via the automatic safety lock, you'll be able to work on it from any angle, as the removable T-handle gives you 360-degree access. What we like about it: hydraulic, 1,500-pound lift capacity, 17-inch skids, removable T-handle, 2-year limited warranty. What we don't like about it: takes up a lot of space. Number 5. Zini 1,100-pound Motorcycle Scissor Jack. If you're working off a tight budget and need a reliable motorcycle jack, consider the Zini 1,100-pound Motorcycle Scissor Jack. This model has a solid steel construction and a 1,100-pound load capacity, It lifts using a simple but reliable crank operation and comes with a 12 cm crank handle. This jack has an operating range of 3.5 to 17 inches, but the two variable screws that are included in the sale add an extra 2 inches. What we like about it: 1,100-pound lift capacity. Great value for money. Operating range of 3.5 to 17 inches. Two variable adapters are included. What we don't like about it: not the best for large motorcycles. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.